Companies Act, Section 423, Appeal to the Supreme Court from orders of the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, NCLAT. Section 423 of the Companies Act, 2013 establishes the highest level of appellate remedy in corporate disputes and matters governed by the Act. It ensures that parties dissatisfied with the decisions of the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, NCLAT, are not left without further legal recourse and may approach the Supreme Court of India, the apex judicial authority. This provision strengthens the integrity of corporate governance, regulatory accountability, and legal uniformity at the national level. 1. Right to appeal before the Supreme Court. Any person who feels aggrieved by an order or decision passed by the NCLAT has the legal right to file an appeal before the Supreme Court. However, the scope of this appeal is deliberately narrow. Unlike a first appeal where both facts and law may be reviewed, an appeal under Section 423 can be made only on questions of law. This means the Supreme Court will not re-examine the factual findings, evidence, or commercial assessments already evaluated by the NCLT and NCLAT. Review will be limited to determining whether the law has been properly interpreted, applied, or enforced by the appellate tribunal. Through this limitation, Section 423 ensures that the Supreme Court deals only with matters of significant constitutional or legal importance, creating judicial consistency and developing sound precedents in corporate jurisprudence. 2. Time limit for filing the appeal. To maintain efficiency and ensure certainty in commercial affairs, the Act prescribes a strict time frame. The appeal must be filed within 60 days from the date on which the aggrieved party receives the NCLAT order. By setting a clear deadline, the law discourages unnecessary delays and promotes speedy resolution of disputes, which is vital for a stable corporate and business environment. 3. Extension of time in exceptional situations. Recognizing that procedural delays may sometimes be unavoidable, Section 423 provides some leniency. The Supreme Court may allow a further extension of up to 60 additional days if it is convinced that the appellant had a sufficient cause for not filing the appeal within the initial 60-day period. Thus, the maximum permissible period for filing an appeal may extend to 120 days, 60 days standard plus 60 days extension. However, beyond this extended window, the Supreme Court does not have the power to condone further delay. This safeguard strikes a balance between procedural strictness and fairness to litigants. Purpose and significance of Section 423. Ensures judicial oversight over decisions of NCLAT at the highest constitutional level. Promotes uniform application and interpretation of company law in India. Enhances accountability of adjudicatory authorities, reinforcing confidence in corporate dispute resolution mechanisms. Helps establish authoritative legal precedents, guiding future regulatory, commercial, and governance decisions. Protects the rights of stakeholders where serious legal errors or misinterpretations may have occurred. For more details, contact us.